Good afternoon, everybody. It's July the 11th, 2019. It is 12:30. This is your noon earthquake report. All right, let me get started here. Remember the code I've got for automatic, which is computer generated, or human. It is up at the top of the description box, okay? There was a 3.7 Southern California, 9 miles east-northeast of Barstow, and they've got it at 0 miles in depth. The 3.7 Central California, 12 miles north of Searles. They've got it at 0 miles in depth. A 3.1 California, Nevada border region, 9 miles northeast of Coso Junction at 1 mile in depth. A 3.6 California, Nevada border region, 12 miles east of Coso Junction, 0 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 11 miles south of Searles. That's at 2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Central California, 4 miles south of Trona, Trona, at 4 miles in depth. A 4.3 Guatemala. They've got that at 45.9 miles in depth. A 4.6 Panama, Costa Rica border region. They've got that at 18 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Central California, 12 miles north of Searles. They've got that at 0 miles in depth. A 3.1 Central California, 14 miles west-northwest of Searles at 4 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the coast of Chiapas, Mexico at 9.9 miles in depth. A 4.4 off the shore of Chile at 23.6 miles in depth. A 2.2 Oklahoma. They've got that 7 miles southwest of Cladwell, and they've got that at 2 miles in depth. A 3.9 California, Nevada border region, 9 miles northeast of Coso Junction, 0 miles in depth. A 3.8 Central California, 8 miles southwest of Searles at 4 miles in depth. A 3.3 Chile. They've got that at 40.3 miles in depth. A 4.2 Costa Rica. They've got that at 3.7 miles in depth. A 3.3 California, Nevada border region, 10 miles southeast of Olancha. They've got that at 0 miles in depth. A 3.1 Central California, 9 miles west of Searles at 7 miles in depth. Alright guys, remember the code. A is for automatic computer generated. H is for humans. Have seen it and said it happened. Alright? God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. Alright, we're saying our prayers for the people down along the Gulf, for the flooding and the possible hurricane coming in. Please be safe. Definitely in our prayers. 2 thumbs up for you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless each and every one of you. Be safe.